Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best radar detector is probably one of the most important safety features you can have in your car, and today, we're diving deep into the world of built-in radar detectors. These sleek, integrated systems offer a discreet way to stay informed about potential speed traps and hazards on the road. We'll explore the features, benefits, and installation process, so you can make an informed decision about whether a built-in radar detector is right for you. Number 5. Escort Max 360 MKII and M2 Cam Bundle. This bundle offers high-definition video and long-range radar protection. It creates a safer and more informed driving experience for you on the road. The advanced chip and false alert filtering process signals quickly. This ensures you are notified of threats with enough time to react and adjust your speed. It detects threats from all directions, displaying the threat's direction immediately. This allows you to know where your attention is needed instantly. Capture your drive in full HD 1080p video resolution, day or night. The dash camera is optimized to maximize video clarity in any condition. Record your speed and location in your videos. Parking mode saves footage in case of a bump or collision while parked. Hardwire connection is required. Easily view your route and all alerts on your Apple CarPlay compatible vehicle display. Escort radar detectors are designed for detection only, providing clear alerts for radar and laser signals. This enhances driver awareness and confidence. What we like. This bundle offers high-definition video coverage and long-range radar protection. It detects threats from all directions, giving you true 360 degrees awareness. If you are looking for a comprehensive system that combines both dash cam and radar detection, this is a great choice. It keeps you informed and protected on the road. What people say. The Max 360 puts you back in the game with upgraded DSP and dual antennae. Directional arrows are a godsend. There is a ton of customization options. Range detection has doubled for me compared to my 9509, while false alarms are still there but are very quickly processed and silenced. Features. This is where the Max 360 really stands out. The internal hardware has been slightly improved upon over the Passport Max and Max 2, most notably the ability to filter out the ever-increasing issue of collision avoidance and blind spot monitoring systems, and active cruise control in newer vehicles. Number 4. Escort MAXcam 360C Radar Detector and Dash Camera. This device offers an exceptional detection range, increasing your protection against speeding tickets. It uses the same advanced chips found in our flagship model. This ensures high sensitivity and reliable performance. Designed for outstanding accuracy, this product provides excellent filtering. This means a quieter drive, allowing you to focus on the important alerts. You'll get the right information at the right time. It detects threats from all directions, providing true 360 degrees awareness. Arrows immediately display the threat's direction, so you instantly know where to focus. This feature enhances your situational awareness on the road. This dash camera offers high-quality video recording with 1440p resolution. It captures 78% more pixels and performs well in low light. The Sony StarVis sensor and Ambarella SoC chip ensure clear and detailed recordings of your journeys. Equipped with advanced safety and security features, this device offers maximum protection. Features like emergency Mayday alert, incident reports, and parking mode ensure the safety of you, your cargo, and your vehicle. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. Upload recordings to the cloud for secure storage and remote access via a compatible mobile app. This provides convenient access to your videos. Easily view your route and all alerts on your Apple CarPlay compatible vehicle display. This integration keeps you informed and connected while you drive. It provides a seamless and user-friendly experience. What we like. This detector provides exceptional range and 360-degree protection, ensuring you're aware of threats from all directions. The QHD video recording captures every detail of your journey. If you value high-quality video recording and comprehensive protection, this device is perfect for you. What people say. The radar detector is very effective at detecting radar and laser. The design is sleek and integrates well into the vehicle. The features are comprehensive and easy to use. Number 3. IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. This dash cam offers a complete 360-degree view, recording everything around your car. It captures front, rear, and side views, ensuring comprehensive coverage for your safety. The N5 records in full HD 1080p, providing clear and detailed video footage. It also offers a 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p plus 1080p mode for different recording needs, ensuring you capture every detail. This dash cam comes with a free 128GB SD card, ready to use right out of the box. Loop recording ensures that you never miss a moment, automatically overwriting old footage when the card is full. Connect to the dash cam via 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster data transfer. Use the free app to easily control the camera, preview videos, download files, and share your recordings. The N5 offers 24-hour parking mode to protect your vehicle even when you're away. It requires a hardware kit, sold separately, to enable time-lapse recording and impact detection. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects impacts and triggers emergency recording. This feature saves and locks important video evidence, preventing it from being overwritten. What we like. This dash cam offers a 360-degree view, recording front, rear, and side views. It comes with a free 128GB SD card and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fast connectivity. If you want a dash cam that captures everything around your car and offers easy access to your footage, consider this one. What people say. The radar detector is very effective at detecting radar and laser. The design is sleek and integrates well into the vehicle. The features are comprehensive and easy to use. Number 2. Escort MAX 360C Radar Detector. This is the first radar detector designed for the connected car. It updates through the onboard Wi-Fi connection, alerting you to the latest ticket threats in real time. It is compatible with both iPhone and Android devices. Forward and rear-facing antennas pinpoint threats around your entire vehicle. On-screen arrows display the direction of the threat relative to your location, giving you complete awareness. Radar detection is customized to your driving style. GPS intelligence, IVT filtering, and auto-sensitivity work together to eliminate false alerts. It learns your route and adjusts sensitivity based on your speed. Connect to the Drive Smarter community to get live alerts from other drivers. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, you can view your route and interact with alerts on your vehicle's display. The MAX 360C comes with a convenient travel case, a SmartCord USB for power, and an easy mag mount for easy installation. It has everything you need to get started. Escort radar detectors are designed for detection only. This ensures clear and dependable alerts for radar and laser signals. It enhances driver awareness and boosts your confidence on the road. With over 50 years of experience, we lead in vehicle technology. Engineered and supported in the USA, this radar detector exemplifies superior innovation and quality craftsmanship. What we like. This radar detector features built-in Wi-Fi for real-time updates and 360-degree protection. Its auto-learn technology eliminates false alerts. If you want a connected radar detector that learns your driving habits and provides comprehensive protection, this is the one for you. What people say. The radar detector is very effective at detecting radar and laser. The design is sleek and integrates well into the vehicle. The features are comprehensive and easy to use. Number 1. Escort MAX 3 Radar Detector. This detector has a premium detection range, keeping you informed of what lies ahead. It provides rapid responses and advance warnings, giving you ample time to adjust your speed. Advanced filtering software helps reduce false alerts. It recognizes and filters out thousands of radar signals, ensuring you receive accurate alerts when you need them. The auto-learn feature uses GPS to learn your routes. Over time, it becomes smarter, rejecting false alerts from frequently visited locations. This detector automatically adjusts sensitivity based on your speed. It reduces false alerts and maximizes accuracy, keeping you informed on the road. Escort radar detectors are designed for detection only. They are precisely engineered to provide clear and dependable alerts for radar and laser signals, enhancing driver awareness. Pair this detector with the Escort M2 Smart Dash Cam. This allows you to capture your drive in full HD resolution, day or night, building a complete driver alert system. With over 50 years of experience, this product leads in driver awareness technology. Engineered and supported in the USA, it exemplifies superior innovation and quality. What we like. This radar detector offers premium detection range and advanced filtering to reduce false alerts. It also features auto-learn intelligence that gets smarter over time. If you like a detector that provides accurate alerts and learns your route, you should consider this one. What people say. The radar detector is very effective at detecting radar and laser. The design is sleek and integrates well into the vehicle. The features are comprehensive and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.